Christos, you are now here in Netherlands watching your players from Iceland and Netherlands. How is your work with the Icelandic players that you have?
Oh, it has been amazing. I mean, it started years ago and it's been a pleasure. I mean, I see their development, you guys' development, the federation, the league, the national team, and I'm so happy to be around just to support and just to enjoy watching them grow. And I hope you guys have a great game today, both sides, and let the best team win.
Like you say, you are working with this Icelandic players, so you have watched Icelandic basketball for many years. How do you like Icelandic basketball today?
Oh, it has grown a lot. There have been steps forward, absolutely. And I think that the more work that you do, that the more support that you get from the local authorities will be very important. But I think it's getting way much better since last year's. There's a massive development to the individual players, to the national team, and I hope to the clubs. I think people are following, people are watching, and every club I visit around Europe, they are very interested about the development of Icelandic players.
Thank you.